CSM Energy is a company that provides solutions.
If we're getting called, it's because there's a problem. Either one are tired of all the other companies they've called and they now need the solutions resolved.
We go in and we take care of what they need. Buildings can be sick. It's a word people use, sick buildings, and they've talked about that. So what we do is we go in like a doctor and we talk to the people there and we say, tell us where it hurts.
In our industry, there's a lot of conflicts. The buildings that we get a chance to work on, there's been multiple contractors and multiple ideas and multiple facets that they want to try.
Biggest issues I usually come across are either lack of maintenance, things aren't taken care of and kept up, or often I'll find that other contractors have come in and they just never finished what they were doing. And we'll find that some wires are disconnected or wires were never run. And it's like 4 or 5 years ago that the job was completed.
A lot of the other companies will sell you a bag of goods and can't deliver them. We try to make sure we solve the customer's problems, not necessarily the bag of goods.
When a customer brings us in on a project and asks us to look at their building, and they often already have in mind what they want, we'll listen to what you're saying and we'll consider everything and all the possibilities, but we're also going to look a little deeper and we're going to have some of our own possible solutions, and we're going to want to sit down, put together a plan and apply a solution to a building and fix it so it works like it should. With all the new technologies that are available, we have a lot of different tools in our tool bag that we can offer to really help our customers not only maintain comfort, but even improve comfort and at the same time reduce energy costs. And one of the most valuable tools that we have right now is eFlow.
eFlow is designed to work with water temperature and flow. It balances it between temperature and pressure, variable frequency drive motors versus turn a pump on and it just runs and circulates water. With that being said, that's where your energy savings is.
It's been patented now for over a year. Every time I do it, there's more and more about it that I learn on how it not only saves energy and works where we're using it on the local device, but down the road on the system throughout the building, it just improves comfort everywhere. It works great.
This is going to be used throughout the world, throughout the industry. It's going to be a game changer. Something that every other energy company or mechanical company is going to want to introduce.
I've worked for different companies over the year and a lot of different contractors as a subcontractor. And of all the places I've worked with, I've never worked with any company like CSM.
I can't think of a better place to work. I've been employed by many companies. By far, this is the most satisfying career.
They really do work together as a team. They pull together and they have the philosophy that whatever needs to be done, everyone in the company is willing to do it. No one takes the attitude of, well, that's not my job, or I do this, or everyone is willing to jump in and whatever it takes, they'll do that. It's a great place to work. I really enjoy it.
The group of people is just from the janitor to the CEO is just incredible people.
You should try Energy Solutions because not only will we get there quick and promptly and take care of what you need, but we will look at it and offer you solutions that will maybe even improve the comfort and at the same time reduce your energy costs.